Every bathroom needs a small trash can, but there never seems to be a place to put it where it's not in the way. And if you have a smaller bathroom, it's even more of a problem. But here's a simple solution on how to put a trash can in your bathroom and have it hidden away. And here's the trick. On the back of one of the vanity doors, mount two small plastic hooks. These hooks happen to come from a ventilated shelving unit, the kind you might put in a closet, but we mounted them to the back with two small 1/2-inch screws. And that's really important. Use short screws because you don't obviously want them poking through the other side. And space the hooks maybe 3 to 4 inches apart, depending on the size of the trash can. And make sure the trash can has a lip on it. Most of them do. That's really important because we're going to use that lip to mount the trash can. See, it hangs right on the hooks. You can close it completely out of the way. You can walk back and forth, not worry about bumping into it. But when you need it, it's ready when you are.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.